Hi guys, I actually remembered now that I actually forgot to introduce the vlog. I forgot to introduce this vlog. So basically this vlog is about me getting out of the slum because I have been procrastinating for a whole month, guys. I just realized yesterday, I haven't posted in 4 weeks. That's a month. And I'm really sorry guys. I was going through it. I was losing my medulla. Really guys, I was going through it and I was home. When I'm home I have nothing interesting. Pretty, there was a funeral at home, so yeah, I had to extend my recess and stay a bit longer at home. But I'm back this side, and I do hope that you guys enjoy this vlog and that I become more consistent, because I know what's going on. I keep guys, but I'm currently editing 2 vlogs, so I think we're on a good pace. I am done washing my face. We are gonna air dry my face. Please don't get super around. Let's get this day started.
God knows I love her, didn't mean her. Baby, I'll be sitting here.
Guys, I have a class at 2:30 and I'm taking you guys along with me, obviously, duh. It's literally my first class since Kuvuli do attend, because I didn't attend last week. The whole of last week I didn't attend because I was still at home. So today is the first time after recess I'm going to class. I have a class on my first two, and then I wanna go buy food because I don't have food, guys. I was at home. I don't have food. And what else? Oh, I wanna buy myself flowers. Yeah, so I'm just at the crossing. Yeah, when I come back from class, I say finish my assignments, submit my part, and get from that. I'm gonna show you guys, like, so far I've only done 2 things. As we plan of the day, whatever you call it. I get to whether the lighting is sharp or not, but guys, I got my floormate, housemate, neighbor a chocolate. It's written thanks, and that's only because when I was at home, guys, she texted me, Ari, I'll tell you what she did. She went to e-group chat hilarious because I don't have a number and she also doesn't have mine. She went to e-group chat hilarious calling a text like it, but yeah, guys, what's in mean? Can the lady that stays in my room text her? And I was like, even but if I can't sing it, it's gonna kumili fiji shut whatever. Like I was thinking the worst just for me to find out that uti uyangicheka because she hasn't been seeing me around whatever. That was so cute of her. Omunyument wouldn't even mind if I'm born what but yeah, she like the fact that she took the creepy hilarious. And then yeah, so I got her chocolates. I was gonna get her something else but I forgot. Like I was gonna get her chocolates and Maynards or marshmallows, but I was in the rush. That's why.
Let me be
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to be part of the channel.